Virtual production volumes are definitely a new and exciting market in the industry of professional audio video. What we're showing off here is a virtual production volume showing off our AX 1.5 millimeter pitch LED wall and creating an actual movie volume here, which combines cinema cameras from ARRI lighting systems, Stipe camera tracking systems, Unreal media servers, and everything comes together to create this solution which can be used for creating amazing content for cinema or TV use. Well, with typical green screen or blue screen type production shooting, the talent, the directors, and the cast and the crew can only shoot the talent and they can't see what's happening in the background. And of course, that is done in post-production. Fix it in post, as they always say, right? The problem with that workflow is that the talent can't actually see the content that they're supposed to be acting to, such as an explosion or a space alien jumping out at them. The director can't see the actual shot that they're getting, but the most important factor is the ambient lighting and reflections are all green in a green screen application. In a virtual production volume, you are actually recreating the environment that you're hoping to shoot in, creating the ambient lighting, reflections, and anything else that that environment would have to create a very realistic look. There are many different types of virtual production. To start with, of course, we have the giant volumes to make movies, but there's another application called XR, or extended reality, which uses a very small stage and a floor, and then uses media servers to extend the world beyond the LED for the broadcast feed. And this is a perfect application for either small live events or corporate and education. This can be used for a CEO to address all of their employees in the company and create a very interactive and immersive type presentation while still working in a very small studio with small technology. The other advantage of using an XR stage versus green screen is that typically the CEO of a very large corporation is not an actor or an actress, and they don't know how to interact with content that they can't see. With an XR stage, they could be standing on the beach and see the waves breaking on their feet, so they know exactly where to stand, and then they could even interview a talking head on one of the LED walls. So it makes it very easy for non-professionals to create a production using XR. Higher education, that is also a very interesting market for XR type solutions, and we believe that universities could potentially teach their students in a more immersive, interactive way, such as literally standing in the Coliseum and showing specifics in the Coliseum for their students, especially in today's day and age with so much online learning. There are many LED manufacturers in the world, however, very few of them work very well in virtual production. And the main reason is typically LED only has to look good to the human eye. But in a virtual production set, it has to look amazing to the cinema camera. And there's a completely different technology and color science involved when you're shooting an LED wall on a camera system. All of the Absen LED panels that we use for virtual production have been tested and evaluated on cinema camera systems for things such as off-axis color performance, moire, DCI P3 color gamut reproduction, and of course we can hit 98% or higher within P3. So the point of this is that our products are designed to look amazing on cinema cameras specifically, which is why they should be used for virtual production. Furthermore, we have the full range of pixel pitches to support small to medium volumes. In addition to that, we have floors and ceiling systems.